welcome to our Cinsey family. You should press a little, not very hard, but just gently pressing. For every area, better to apply around 4 to 6 times. The same situation with the forehead, from the center of your face to the hairline. So you can apply it just like this. Small roller for eyes, like this. Again, from the center to the outer, like this. 4 to 6 times. 2 or 3 times a day. Products has unique print, like this, or just down. Alright, hope to see you again, guys. Bye bye.
From Chinese jade to Egyptian quartz, beauty rollers are not just the hottest trend, but one of the oldest ancient remedies to brighten, soothe, and support our tired, unhappy skin. Using a jade facial roller as part of your daily routine will diminish wrinkles, fine lines, puffiness, and bloating by working to improve blood circulation and lymphatic drainage. Unlike many jade rollers on the market which use fake or low-quality jade, MoValues uses only pure grade A Dongling jade from Brazil. And unlike those cheap imitations which are poorly constructed with wire-thin brass and glue, the MoValues jade roller is a one-piece integrated stainless steel frame, so that means you'll get a consistent experience every time. Your stone will turn smoothly and will never squeak, rattle, or stick. The MoValues Jade Roller comes in a beautiful gift-ready box with 3 powerful beauty tools: a silicone brush for masks, serums, and creams, the Jade Roller, and a pure jade gua sha with a guide to help you use your new tools most effectively. There's even a cute pouch that you can store everything in so you can take it on the go. Enjoy fresh, glowing, healthy skin with 100% pure grade A Dongling jade from MoValues.
What got you started using jade rollers?
So what got me started is that I'm almost 30, and as soon as I started noticing those little wrinkles around my eyes and I started getting dark circles and puffiness, I knew it was time to act. So I started massaging my face with a jade roller, and I loved the relaxing feel of it, but honestly I wasn't seeing any results, so I was about to quit when my friend told me that my jade roller wasn't actually a jade roller. It was more of a joke roller.
And why is that?
Well, because it wasn't real jade stone. This is how real jade stone and rose quartz look. See how clear and uniform the color is? These are the ones from InnoCreation kit. And this is what I was using before. It's much lighter and it has a milky color, and also it squeaks. You hear that? This one doesn't sound. How do I know this one is real? Well, it comes with their certificate of authenticity, and it feels different. It's much cooler, heavier, the color is uniform, and it's actually mined in Brazil. Another thing that I love is that it's 3 tools, not just 1, and it also comes with 30 plus pages ebook, so I'm really getting my money's worth. Before, I didn't really know how to use it right. I was sort of improvising. Now I have detailed instructions on how to apply them, and also a guide on skin serums for different skin types. It turns out that it's the magic of applying the serum with the right roller is what delivers the best results. I like using rose quartz in the mornings for the energy boost and healthy glow that it gives my skin. And then the jade roller is a part of my nighttime routine because of the calming effects of the jade stone. And then I usually finish up with the gua sha tool to relax the muscles, tighten the skin, and encourage youthful blood flow. I'll be honest, there is nothing better than facial massage to start or finish your day with. You just have to use the right tools.
Jade roller for your face. First I want to open the box. So here you can see some instructions how to do this face massage for yourself. Then this is how it looks like. So it's made with original and 100% good quality, premium quality jade. It has nice pink colors. So as it says, it has so many functions actually when you do the massage. It helps your blood circulation of the face, which is very good. It helps to reduce some puffiness on your face and dark circles under your eyes, or if you have some eye bags. So it helps you for that, and also it reduces the stress on the muscles on the face, which helps to make the face more shiny. So it also relieves the facial tension and helps to make your skin more glow and shiny and healthy. So thank you for watching. See you. Bye.
At MoValues, we know that your skincare needs can change from our day to day, so we've crafted our 4-in-1 Rose Quartz set to provide a truly customizable skincare experience. We use only genuine rose quartz mined deep from within Brazil. This hard, cool stone delivers powerful benefits and healing ions. Our large, smooth rollers work synergistically with skincare creams and serums to increase their benefit. The large, bumpy roller provides an acupressure massage treatment to clear blocked circulation, a true spa treatment without the spa price tag. Our mini eye roller keeps eyes looking bright and smooth with no bags. You'll be amazed at the soothing relief it offers after you've left it in the fridge or freezer. Our gua sha is an ancient tool that works to promote waste and lymph drainage to visibly firm and brighten the skin. Get ready to wind back the years with the MoValues 4-in-1 Rose Quartz set.